So now in this video I thought we would look at a demonstration version of the AND gate using NPN bipolar junction transistors. These are both 2N3904s right there. Of course you can just get integrated circuits that have AND gates. Just do a Google search of AND gate integrated circuit and you'll probably get like a 7400 series, maybe 4000 series component that has a bunch of AND gates in it. So in any case, this is the basic symbol, and since this is a 2-input AND gate, we got 2 transistors in this case. Right now, they're both off, and so our load is off. We can turn one of them on, and the load's still going to be off, or we could turn the other one on, and the load will still be off. We have to turn both transistors on before our load now. The LED will be on. So now, of course, a more practical circuit will probably just have a couple inputs that look at a voltage and an output that can provide power, either source or sink current. But this is just a demonstration to kind of give you a feel for how this works. And again, we have to have both of these transistors with a high input, 5 volts in this case, before they will conduct, and thus the load will conduct. That's the way series components work. So anything that limits current within a series path limits it for all of the components. Of course, here we have some base to emitter current, but all we're interested in is this path right there. You cut off one of them, the other one, even like one of these two, that will cut off the current path that goes through there. And so it's an easy way you can make a demonstration AND gate. Again, output is going to be 0, which is an off LED right here, unless both of the inputs are to the +5 voltage in this particular case. Then the LED and its protective resistor will have 5 volts across it right there. And I spilled a little water there. That's just in, and then for the A input to symbolize that. So that could be A and that could be B, or this could be A and that could be B. But in any case, there's the pin layout for the 2N3904. And the symbol here with the part numbers. I've gone over that a lot in other videos. So I'm just going to wrap this one up here. Try to keep it short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.